The library explains its electronic media. This is Anne. She is a student at the South Westphalia University of Applied Sciences and would like to read an e-book on the morning train to prepare herself for the lecture. She knows that the library offers e-media, but she doesn't know how to get them. And asks the librarian, she can make use of e-books, e-journals and databases. These are listed in the online catalog and can be found in the search scope e-media. There she can search for licensed and freely available literature, book chapters and journal articles, for example by using a keyword. The freely available media are labeled as open access and can be accessed without prior login. The licensed e-media are activated in the university network. If Anne authorizes herself with her university ID, she can access it from any place. Statistics, laws, standards and patents are not listed in CHI, but Anne can find these in databases. Anne is happy. Now she can not only read a book on the morning train, but also has access to all e-media of the library on her way to the university. That'll help her. Would you also like to use our e-media, or do you have further questions? Do you need help with research, or do you want to participate in a library training session? Visit our website and learn more about our services. The library will help you.